This is Code.org. I'm currently working on their CS Fundamentals course. I'm doing Course D of it. I'm on Lesson 2, Introduction to Online Puzzles, Part 10. Get the bird to the pig. So here's our bird, here's the pig. Okay, this is the code we can use. This is our workspace. So I think they're wanting us to do this in 7 blocks. Let's see if we can. So I'm going to say move forward, and I think 3 times maybe, and then turn to the left. It's always good to test code though, so let's go ahead and hit run. Okay, then move forward. How many times though? Oh, just one more time. Okay. And that is our 7 blocks, it looks like. Yay! 6 lines. So this is the code that worked for me. We could have done it in even less, because I can have them turn left at the end, and since I'm using move forward twice here and here, I can do this. 2. Grab this. Boop. Drop that. So this should also work. Five lines. Yeah. So that's the code that worked for me. Great. Let's keep going.